Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A boy saw a sparrow near the lion cage. He used a ladder to catch it, but the sparrow flew away. An exciting adventure with a clever sparrow. Adventures teach us important things.
Dear kids, let's meet with a new alphabet.
L. Its sound is L. 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 Leaf. L. L. Ladybug. L. L. Lemon. L. L. Loin. L. L. Lock. L. L. Ladder. Dear kids, how many spots do you think a ladybug might have? See you in the next lesson.